2026 Honda Prelude, reviving the legendary sports coupe with a modern twist and advanced hybrid technology. The concept car previews the new production model, staying true to its classic heritage while promising exhilarating performance and cutting-edge efficiency. Built on the Civic and Accord platforms, the Prelude is expected to deliver a dynamic and fun driving experience. Rumored to debut in 2026 with an estimated starting price of $31,000 for the base model and $38,000 for the premium trim. The Prelude concept showcases a hybrid powertrain inspired by Honda's existing system, with output expected to be boosted to meet performance expectations. Front-wheel drive is expected to be the standard configuration, but the possibility of an all-wheel drive option has yet to be confirmed. While fans may miss the manual transmission, the increasingly popular automatic is expected to be the primary option. The Prelude's return is not just about reviving a legendary nameplate, but also setting a new standard for hybrid sports cars with style, performance, and innovation that appeals to the current generation.